If you're in the market for a new or upgraded timing cover, then check out these billet units from Proflow. Proflow offer covers for the Holden V8, small block Chev, Ford small block, and of course the LS. Regardless of which one you choose, they're all made from billet aluminium, and you can have either the naked finish here or a nice subtle black finish to suit your engine bay. Being machined from billet aluminium, regardless of which cover you choose, it will give you precise camshaft alignment so you can retain that bump stick with ease. On top of that, if required, the covers also come with the necessary gaskets for a one-stop install. And if you're an LS person, you'll notice this two-piece unit here is very cool for your needs. Splitting it in two pieces means if you want to do a camshaft upgrade, you just pull the top piece off and slide out your camshaft. There's no need to drop the sump. So no more cross-member drops, no more sump drops on your Commodore. Just slide your camshaft in and you're good to go. All the covers come with the necessary gaskets you need for a one-stop install. So to check out the full range and order yours, head to proflow.com.au.